Today, a grand jury was supposed to hear the case of a state trooper who collided with a car, killing these two teenage girls. But in a rare move, a judge granted a motion to stop the hearing. New at 5, Channel 2's Liz Arts reports this could be the first of its kind.
The decision will go through the appeals court here. The Carroll County District Attorney told me that he has every intention to appeal this, stating that he does not believe a judge has the right to tell him he cannot present a case to a grand jury.
It is a very rare and unique situation. This is kind of breaking ground. I didn't find a case in my studies and my research for my brief. I didn't find a case exactly like ours. So this may be the first one.
Mac Pilgrim talked to us after a senior judge in Carroll County granted a motion to keep A.J. Scott's case from being presented to a grand jury for a third time.
Legally, the district attorney's office could not bring a third presentation or could not present a third time to a grand jury on the same set of facts.
Scott had been a Georgia State Trooper for nearly 4 years in 2015 when he hit a car carrying 4 teens on Highway 27. Kylie Lindsey and Isabella Chinchilla both died.
I do feel sorry every day. I'm sorry I was on that road.
Scott has not spoken publicly since my exclusive interview last year.
I pray every day that this is just a dream, but it isn't, and I'm going to have to live with it.
Since then, the case has been presented to 2 separate grand juries. The first grand jury did not indict. The second grand jury came back with an indictment on misdemeanor charges. That is in the Court of Appeals right now. DA Pete Skandalakis wanted the case to be heard a third time for a felony indictment.
Had the district attorney chosen to no process those cases, they could have brought it a third time. However, based on this set of circumstances and facts that were present in this case, we don't believe the law allows them to do so. No.
Skandalakis told me over the phone Wednesday, quote, "We believe the court made a mistake. At this very moment, we are researching our avenues of appeals. We don't believe a court can order us not to present a case to a grand jury, and we're going to let the appellate process work its way out." Liz Arts, Channel 2 Action News.